Your videos might not be getting the numbers of views you so much want if you're not applying this YouTube feature, especially when you are brainstorming video ideas. I mean, I won't even act as if I have it all figured out already, because the truth is we all learn along, we all learn in the process. But when it comes to YouTube video production, every aspect of it is very delicate. I mean, from the conceptualization of the video idea to the filming to the editing, that one is not even easy, to the designing of the thumbnail, but catch it to your audience, and now going through all those stress, and at the end of 3 days, maybe after 3 days or after 5 days, you're now seeing like 30 views, 20 views, maximum 50 views. It is very heartbroken. That is why it is essential to get it right from the start. From the conceptualization of the video idea itself, it is very essential to get it right from that place. Because if you don't know what people are searching for, if you don't know how many people, number of audience that are actually searching for that type of topic, you just delve into that topic and you create content around that topic and you upload the topic, and it's not getting views at the end of the day. It's not rewarding. And that is why in this video I'm going to be opening your eyes to game-changing YouTube feature that is going to assist you when it comes to knowing what people are searching for. Let's say it this way: knowing what your audience are searching for. Because there is difference between what people are searching for and what your own audience are searching for. How many people are actually searching for this type of video idea, the type of niche you are working on? How many people are searching for the topic that relates to that your niche? So exactly that is what I'll be showing you in this video, how you can use this game-changing YouTube feature. I'm talking about the inspiration tab in your YouTube studio. But let me know in the comment if you have this tab in your YouTube studio. I don't know whether it is only monetized channel that YouTube rolled this feature to. But I know I have it, and I know of so many monetized channels that also say they have this feature. But let me know in the comment section if your channel is not monetized and you have this feature. So I think it is good that way. So I feel YouTube just want all of us to succeed at it together. So if you have this feature, let me know in the comment section and follow me while I show you how you can use this particular inspiration feature effectively. Alright, so to ensure that you effectively understand this usage of inspiration tab in your YouTube studio, I'm going to use two methods. I'm going to use two different methods. So the first one is that I'm going to use the studio.youtube.com, which is the web version, and I'm also going to use the YouTube Studio app. At this point, if you have not subscribed to my channel, do well to subscribe, like this video, and let me know what your thoughts is so far. So this is the first one, which is the web version of YouTube Studio. So you're going to log on to your YouTube Studio and go to your analytics. Once you click on your analytics, it is going to bring you to this your channel analytics, and under your channel analytics, that is where we have your overview, your content, your audience, your revenue, and inspiration. If you're not monetized yet, you may not see your revenue there, but if otherwise, you're going to see your revenue there. So our target here is the inspiration. Remember, I told you that you should let me know if your channel is not monetized and you have this inspiration tab. So if you have it, good luck. I think that is fair enough. So this is it. Here we are. Our inspiration tab is here. See what it's prompted for me. What people are looking for. Can you see it? Remember that these are inspirations, and see under the search, get ideas for your next video. Do you see that? If you see, for instance, maybe this particular inspiration, fastest growing educational channel, maybe I'm interested in it, I'm going to click on the love sign that you are seeing on your screen, which is this, and it will be saved. But I'm not interested in that now. That is not what we want to do. That is not what I want to show you. What I want to show you is to understand how to get that perfect video ideas. This is the first aspect. Now, what people are looking for instance, now you have a topic idea in your mind, maybe something that you feel like people in your niche are working on, or a type of video people in your niche are working on, and you now feel like, okay, you want to know whether your own audience are going to watch it. You can actually type that in this search bar. You click on it, you type it in the search bar, and it is going to bring out related video for you. And even it's going to bring a related video for you to the extent that you're going to know the people that have worked for it maybe in the past 6 months. These are what people are looking for. See, I have daily content for YouTube, trending YouTube channels 2024, fast growing educational channel. You cannot just say that, oh, I've seen video idea and jump on it. No, despite that we are seeing it, we still cannot jump on it, right? I cannot jump on it now. You see, the monetized YouTube channels, highest any faceless YouTube channel, which means that channels content that has to do with faceless YouTube channel, how much faceless YouTube channel earns is still doing well for my niche this period. But I still cannot jump on this all this because they are still ideas. I have not narrowed them down into a topic. You need to narrow them down into a topic. And how do you do that? Let's go. At this point, if you have not subscribed to my channel, do well to subscribe, like this video, and let me know what your thoughts is so far. Let's try another video idea, which is how to get monetized on YouTube fast. Yeah, so we clicked on that and see other things we are getting, see other results we are getting. So once you click on a particular video idea that you feel like, okay, you can work on this, then it is going to bring you to this page. Then you can create outline for it. You can save it for later, which is that love sign, and you can do other things to it. AI is also going to suggest other topic that relates to that idea for you, like how to grow your YouTube channel fast, best video editing software for beginners, the best way to get more views on YouTube. However, remember that all these ones, they are AI suggestions, they are experiments. They just want you to work on it. Maybe it's going to work out. Underline that maybe it is going to work out. So I have that particular video idea that we clicked on. So these are the people that have worked on that video idea, what people are watching in relation to that video idea. See it here. And all this there a year ago. I also want us to know how voluminous that topic is, how many people are searching for that video idea. Do you understand? And that is the next thing we are going to do. However, let us go to the YouTube Studio app and experiment the same thing we've done here. At this point, if you have not subscribed to my channel, do well to subscribe, like this video, and let me know what your thoughts is so far. If you have the app, this is how it looks. You're familiar with it already. And if you don't have YouTube Studio app, I would advise that you download it. Where we are going is the analytics. And once you see your analytics, head over to the inspiration. In fact, it is the first tab on my own YouTube Studio app. Here we are. See at the top we have the explore topics, we have the top searches. There under the top searches I have the daily contents for YouTube, how to start monetization on YouTube, new channels on YouTube, and all those stuff. It is actually amazing here on the Studio app because I always have a lot of options. That is why I also advise that if you don't have the Studio app on your device, try as much as possible to download the Studio app itself, not the web version. Now we are going to go ahead. We are going to click on the top searches. Yeah, this is where it gets interesting. Yes, it actually gets interesting here. So these are the top searches for my particular niche. So definitely your own will be different. So we have the daily content for YouTube and so on and so forth. So let's assume I feel like I want to work on the first one. You click on it. See the results. It's prompted. It says that searched on YouTube, which means that these are the topic that people are searching for on YouTube based on that idea. So we have informative content for YouTube, top 10 content for YouTube channel, how to prepare content for YouTube video, and so on and so forth. Do you see? Click on the searched on YouTube. Now, this is where it gets interesting. You see, once I clicked on that search on YouTube, remember I told you that when you see a video idea,
You should not go ahead and say, oh, I've seen video ideas and just go ahead and create content around it straight up. No, it is not done that way because you don't know the number of people, how voluminous is are people or how voluminous are people that are searching for that type of content. And this is where you're going to understand that once we clicked on the search on YouTube, see, we have all, we also have content gaps. I always explore the all and I also explore the content gaps. Under the all, see the information contents for YouTube, that is a topic. Top 10 contents for YouTube channel, it's also another one. How to prepare content for YouTube video is also another one. How to upload daily videos on YouTube is also another topic.
At this point, if you have not subscribed to my channel, do well to subscribe, like this video, and let me know what your thoughts is so far.
What content is most watched on YouTube is also another one. Now, for instance, let's say immediately I saw that video idea, I just go ahead and create content around it. Say the first one, which is informative content for YouTube, it is even low volume. So it is not advisable to immediately click on that video idea. Rather explore to this stage. Explore to this stage and know that okay, this one it has low volume, this one has medium volume. Let's now check the content gaps where we are going to see something nice. And yes, we are seeing, see for instance, lifestyle vloggers YouTube, vlog of daily life, that one has high volume. Description in YouTube, that one has medium volume. It's a content gap though. In fact, if you explore to this stage, you're going to know that this content gap, this type of topical is for short. This type of topical is for long form content. Do you understand? It always show it. Thank you. Hey, I've seen one instance. See this particular one, purchases and membership YouTube, high volume, content gap for short. That is this type of topic. If you create it as a short, it is going to do well. It has high volume and it is also that's stated there emphatically that it is a content gap for short. Really in the past I don't used to use it, but right now I realize and I've seen changes in my views, and that is why I feel like okay, my community, some members in my community might not know about this and they really need to know and benefit from it.
So there you have it, guys. There you have it. The art of understanding your inspiration tab to understand the type of topic your audience are searching for based on your niche to increase your views, because by the time you create content around what people are searching for, it will definitely increase your views. And if what people are watching is what they love, they will definitely subscribe to your channel, and then your growth will skyrocket. So I hope this particular video has been insightful. I hope it is helpful. If it is helpful, do let me know in the comment section. Let me know if you have the inspiration tab as well in your own YouTube studio. Remember that I'm rooting for you. So till I see you again in my next video, my name is Zainab Journey. Bye.